how are you guys doing? So today we're going to jump into things to start looking out for Black Friday deals. If you did not know, Black Friday is an absolutely amazing time to start looking at your curriculum and your STEM projects and all of those things. Please don't judge the hair for whatever reason. I look like a poodle, and we will jump into the deals. Okay, so here's the thing. A lot of times Black Friday is seen as like when to buy presents and everything else. And although that is very true, sorry that it is dark in here, guys. It is dark outside. My kids are playing with flashlights for just a few minutes while I can get this filmed, and then we have an errand to run. So with that being said, please forgive the lighting. Okay, and I tamed the poodle. It's all to one side now. I digress. Okay, so here's the cool thing. Black Friday is often seen as a really good time to get Christmas presents, but really there are a few homeschool curriculums that will actually go on sale during this time. Also, if you're military or a veteran, stay to the end of this video because I'm going to talk about year-round discounts you can also tap into if you're currently not doing that already. Okay, so let's get into this. Okay, so upcoming in the next month, and in fact, some of these curriculums are already doing early sales. For example, My Father's World right now is running a Black Friday sale all the way through the month. Right now, if you see me glance over, it's because I have a list so I don't give you inaccurate information. So My Father's World, if you like them, I believe I know they go from like pre-K, and I think they go all the way up, at least to, I know they go through elementary school. If you like some of their curriculums, they are having a month-long Black Friday sale. I think they also have a winter sale coming up as well. So be on the lookout for that. Sunlight is also doing a Black Friday and a Cyber Monday deal. Some of the places aren't coming out and saying what the percentage off is yet, but if you like these curriculums, I encourage you to go ahead and visit their websites and go ahead and start looking at the curriculum that you want to purchase and looking to sign up on any email list so they'll actually send you out the information for yourself. My personal favorite is Master Books. So Master Books, you see that light in the back? That is my kids playing with flashlights. Did you see that? Okay, so Master Books is also doing a Black Friday, really Cyber Monday deal. And in the past, it's been 25% off retail. Last year, I think it was an additional 10% off of the 25 off already on retail. So I'm not exactly sure. I haven't seen any banners up, but normally around this time is when they do their Black Friday. Also, if you like Master Books, but you are not wanting to pay any of the, or wait on Cyber Monday, they have, if you sign up for their email link, they will send you flash sales weekly, and sometimes you can get incredible discounts. So I know I bought Elements of Faith that way, which is like a chemistry curriculum, and it's basically their scratch and dent or books that they're getting rid of. And I've gotten them for really cheap. Also, you can apply your points that you earn from Master Books onto these purchases. Anything over, I believe, $75 ships free. And I've also gotten readers. So if there's anything that I want to get, like extra readers for the kids, sorry if that's distracting. It's very comforting for me. I know they're okay. Always be checking on their flash sales. Sometimes you'll even get better discounts on their flash sales than you will their Cyber Monday sales. But if you are going to put on a bulk order and you don't want to wait because you don't necessarily know what's going to be on a flash sale and you want to go ahead and order the curriculum, this is the time to do it. I think they also did a spring sale last year, but I have always done it on the Black Friday sales since knowing about it. And I will tell you, it has saved me, no lie, hundreds of dollars over the last few years. So I highly recommend you, if you want to look into their curriculum or even some of their readers for parents or their devotional curriculums are really good. More Than Words is amazing. It breaks down the gospel and key points in scripture. It's by Rebecca Spooner. She did Homeschool On for a very long time. Love, 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 love her content as far as those devotionals and even some of her homeschool on videos. When I was first learning about homeschool and when I was kind of branching out for curriculum, I did find her videos very helpful. I don't know that she still runs that channel anymore. She now authors Gather Around Homeschool, which is a multi-level, you could say it's like a unit-based curriculum that you can get all of your kids working on at once. I think that she is an amazing woman of God doing amazing things in the homeschool realm. So good job, Rebecca Spooner. Anyway, on the other side of this, check out those flash sales. You are very surprised what you can get weekly, but if you're putting in a bulk order for curriculums, your Cyber Monday deals are definitely a good way to go on masterbucks.com. This also doesn't only just hit curriculum, by the way. Like I said, it works with other readers. It works with some of the kits, I believe. So just peruse through. I've already actually got my cart stacked for what I want to get and what I need for the next couple years. And so if you are interested, this is a good time to do it. Also, Kiwico. So STEM kits are something that I like to incorporate into my homeschool. I find that one of the things as homeschoolers is the resources. A lot of times we're not getting government funded resources, right? So STEM kits are wonderful, whether it's from Kiwico or any other kind of STEM kit. I actually just found a STEM kit called Mel Science. They look awesome. And I was showing my kids and they thought some of the medical kits, of course, my kids thought some of the medical kits looked fun. So we already have a suture kit, but some of them was like pharmacology and like testing, how they test your analysis and all kinds of crazy stuff. So if you've used Mel Science, I have not, but if you have, please let me know what you think about it. I would be more than happy to learn from some of you guys. That is one that I haven't checked out. But so back to this, Kiwico always gives really good discounts. In fact, they actually have a coupon code out right now, but I do know they do Cyber Monday and Black Friday deals. So if you're looking into starting a subscription with them or trying to buy things in bulk for the year, look around the sales at this time, you know, analyze your finances, see what you can do. But I always like getting things on sale rather than waiting until I have to buy them full price. Another thing is, by the way, I do have a Kiwico link. This is not sponsored by them, but if you want to use my code, I will put it in the description. I love to benefit from referring you to them. It just means that I can buy and afford more things for my kids. So I will put it in the description below. And Amazon. Amazon seems like a no-brainer. Everyone thinks Cyber Monday, probably thinks Amazon. Amazon also runs a lot of Black Friday sales and Cyber Monday sales on educational stuff. So you can get manipulatives, you can get STEM kits. In the past, we had gotten a kit with like 5 or 6 different STEM projects in them, which is super cool, by the way, because they were mini kits. And I think they ended up costing me like $2 for a little kit. If I can find a picture of them, I'll pop it up. And I think I bought the whole kit for maybe 10 or 12 bucks. And there was like 5 or 6 projects in each box, which that's like $2 to $3 a STEM kit, which is not bad. I mean, they came with like oscillating fans. They came with solar cars, solar dinosaur robots. Like, they were crazy. Now, they were smaller experiments. They were like this big. But me and one of my kids, like I said, built the oscillating fan. That was amazing. And just all the different projects you can get into, and they kind of let you tip your foot in the water. They don't have a lot of explanation with them as how the science works. But if you have really tactile learners who need to be engaged, who will think that building that project is awesome, that is a really good kit. Also, things like fake money or abacuses or things for your tactile learners, or even curriculums, even like some of your specialty curriculums, your dyslexia curriculums. All of these things are always a good time to start looking on Amazon and start adding things to your cart to see what will be affected by the sales. Not everything will be, but it is better to go ahead and see rather than miss out later. Okay, so again, Mel Science. So back to Mel Science. They look like they're about to run a Black Friday, Cyber Monday deal. They had something in their banner about it. Again, I have not used them, but they do look really awesome, and they look like they have a ton of different science kits. So it's MEL Science Kits if you type it into Google, or I can put a link below. And you go there. I don't have any kind of coupon code or anything else. I've never used them, but they look amazing. So yes, check out them as well. Okay, so for my military and my veterans. So there are some places that give you military discounts year-round, which might actually end up proving cheaper than just waiting for a sale. So I don't know that Horizons gives a Black Friday sale. I've never seen them do it. For military and veterans, they give a 30% off discount year-round. Now, you have to prove, obviously, you're military affiliated, but yes, 30% off your curriculum. Great. And that's for like Alpha and Omega publications, which is like Switched on Schoolhouse, Monarch, which is an online-based program, Horizons, and LifePack. So all of those are under AOP. Abeka also gives a 5% military discount with ID Me. Gather Around Homeschool gets a 10% off with ID Me. And there is also a link that I'm going to put in the bottom of this video, which is for HSLD, which is the Homeschool League Defense Association. They also have an entire page of military and veteran discounts. I did not want to sit here and make this a 20-minute video going through each one of them. And I picked the ones that I am the most familiar with. But yes, absolutely. Go to their page, go and check them out, and see what you can save if you are a military or veteran. So I hope this video helps. I hope it'll help you save a couple $100 at least during this season going into the next homeschool year. It is always nice to save, especially when it comes to books or curriculum or STEM projects. If you already have a budget, it means that you can get things to make things a little easier, or maybe even a course or two or piano lessons. That's one more thing. Thank you, Jesus. Is pianos and guitars. Guys, for whatever reason, they all go on sale in the holidays. I know the ukuleles go on sale. The pianos go on sale. I bought my kids the first keyboard during the, I guess you could say Black Friday, Cyber Monday sales for like $100. It wasn't a very big keyboard, but it was something that we could start teaching them, learning the keys, and then learn how to start using keys in piano and music and reading music. So absolutely, this is the best time of the year if you're going to start investing in like newbie instruments. Amazon is a good place to check. Walmart is a good place to check. Online sales is a good place to check. Even your music stores, if they're running Black Friday sales, this is a good time to start looking at instruments your child may want to get into in the next year. Master Books on Academy actually does have singing lessons, piano lessons, ukulele, and I believe beginning guitar lessons. So all of those, and I think they're only like $35 to $40 for a half a semester course or a year-long course. I can't remember how long the courses are. But that is always a good way that if you're looking for extracurriculars for your children, it is always wonderful to have extracurriculars for your children and to have them at a discounted price. So yeah, sorry guys, I couldn't find my ring, so I'm using this as my stand-in for right this second. Even if it's tacky, kind of fits me. All right. You guys have a great night. God bless. And I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful night.